Okay, welcome students. This is our English class online. I'm your teacher, Teacher Glean. Let's review what we have learned last week. The sound of letter S. Okay, big letter S, small letter S is for sun. Sun. Okay, so this is a sun. Okay, let's review our English chant. Sally goes round the sun. Sally goes round the sun. Sally goes round the moon. Sally goes round the moon. Sally goes round the chimney pots. Sally goes round the chimney pots. On a Sunday afternoon. On a Sunday afternoon. Okay, I repeat. Sally goes round the sun. Sally goes round the moon. Sally goes round the chimney pots on a Sunday afternoon. Okay, good. Now, let's review the words which starts with letter S. Salt. What's that? That's salt. Number 2. Sandwich. Sandwich. What's that? That's a sandwich. That's a sandwich. Number 3. Sea. Sea. What's that? That's a sea. That's a sea. Okay, more words as we continue. A seahorse. A seahorse. What's that? That's a seahorse. A sugar cane. A sugar cane. What's that? That's a sugar cane. That's a sugar cane. A sunflower. A sunflower. What's that? That's a sunflower. That's a sunflower. Okay. Now today we will learn the sound of letter T. 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 Big letter T. Small letter T is for train. T. T. Train. Okay. Again, please. Okay, let's repeat. Big letter T. Small letter T is for train. T. T. Train. Okay, get it? Okay, good. Now let's learn our English chant. Can you touch your head? Can you touch your head? Okay. Can you touch your nose? Can you touch your nose? Can you touch your knees? Can you touch your knees? Can you touch your toes? Can you touch your toes? Again, let's repeat. Can you touch your head? Can you touch your nose? Can you touch your knees? Can you touch your toes? Okay, again, can you touch your head? Can you touch your nose? Can you touch your knees? Can you touch your toes? Okay. Now let's learn new words today. Okay. A tractor. A tractor. What is that? That's a tractor. That's a tractor. A tree. A tree. What is that? What is that? That's a tree. That's a tree. A triangle. A triangle. What is that? What is that? That's a triangle. That's a triangle. Okay, let's repeat, please. A tractor. A tractor. What is that? What is that? That's a tractor. A tree. A tree. What is that? That's a tree. A triangle. A triangle. What is that? That's a triangle. Okay? Now let's have more words. A tricycle. A tricycle. What is that? What is that? That's a tricycle. That's a tricycle. A truck. A truck. What is that? What is that? That's a truck. That's a truck. A trumpet. A trumpet. What is that? What is that? That's a trumpet. Okay, let's repeat, please. A tricycle. What is that? That's a tricycle. A truck. A truck. What is that? What is that? That's a truck. A trumpet. A trumpet. What is that? That's a trumpet. That's a trumpet. Okay. That's all for today, kids. Thank you for listening attentively in our lesson. See you again next time. Goodbye.